Spring cleaning isn't just for closets, it's for closets full of cables. We're with AtoZinIT here in Charlotte, and today we're tackling the dusty stack of "we'll deal with it later" gear. Here's the checklist that turns chaos into clarity. Step 1. Take inventory. Walk the floor. Laptops, phones, printers, drives, switches. Step 2. Decide its fate. Reuse, recycle, secure destruction, no purgatory piles. Step 3. Prepare the device, remove from management, revoke access, securely wipe. Factory reset isn't enough. Fun fact, 42% of wiped resale drives still had sensitive data. Use certified tools and get a report. Recycling? Pick certified ITAD or e-waste partners. Think e-stewards or R2, not the home-only drop-off. Destruction? Shredding or degaussing with a chain of custody. Log serials, dates, method, handler. Step 4. Document everything, where it went, who handled it. Confirm all access is gone. Don't forget the sneaky stuff. Phones and tablets, especially those with authenticator apps, printers with hard drives, external drives, batteries, tape terminals, and recycle safely. Earth Day reminder. 62 plus metric tons e-waste yearly, about 22% recycled. Let's do better. Big picture, clearing hardware is good. Align systems, automate, standardize processes. That's where growth happens. Ready for a no-pressure tech spring clean? Click the link in the description to book a discovery call. Feel free to share this with a fellow business owner with a cable nest. We've all been there.